everyone, welcome back to Fix Apple Now's YouTube channel. My name is Emily Klein and today I'm going to be showing you my top tips, tricks, and hacks for Apple AirPods. Apple AirPods have completely changed the way that I listen to music, talk on the phone, text, and even read books. I prefer to listen to my books now on Audible through my AirPods. Today, I'm gonna be taking you through some of my favorite hacks, such as simple ones, just like, being able to check the battery quicker to know if you need to recharge your AirPod case or which individual AirPod needs to be charged more, how to connect quicker to your phone, all the way to crazy things such as how to use your AirPods to spy on your friends, and even how to use your AirPod case as the perfect iPhone stand so you can put your AirPods in and set up your phone and watch a video. Without further ado, here is our video for Apple AirPods. Resetting your AirPods is actually very, very simple. So there is a little white circle button on the back, and you are just going to want to hold that down for about 10 seconds. If you want to do something less drastic, you will want to go into the settings, go to Bluetooth, select your AirPods, hit the eye icon, hit forget this device, hit forget device, and then once more hit forget device. You can actually have your AirPods announce your calls. How cool is that? This is really great if you have your phone in your bag and you don't want to take it out to see who's calling. Here, I'm going to show you how to have your calls announced. So what you want to do is open Settings, go to Phone, go to Announce Calls, and select Headphones Only. Did you know that your AirPod case can also be an iPhone stand? This is awesome if you want to prop your phone up and watch a show hands-free. All you need to do is take your AirPods out of the case, open up the case, and prop it like so it is laying completely open. And you'll want to balance your iPhone on the crease of the AirPod case. It's a little wobbly, but it works. Now, I will show you a really quick and easy way to check your battery life of your AirPods and AirPod case. You're going to need to pull out your AirPod case and open the case and hold it next to your iPhone. It will then pop up with the information. See, it says that my case is at 27%, and then it shows that my AirPods that are in the case are charged at 100%. Simply remove one AirPod to check its individual charge. If your AirPods are uncomfortable in your ear, or maybe they're a little bit too small, what you can do is you can go on Amazon and buy foam covers. They look like this. They are pretty cheap, and they might make your AirPods fit more comfortably in your ear. Did you know that you can use AirPods to spy on people? Actually, you can use this hack for many reasons. You'll want to go to Control Center. You want to go to Customize Controls and make sure Hearing is selected to your Control Center. If it's not, it will be somewhere down below. So once it's added to Control Center, you can pull it down and then click on the ear. But first, you'll need to put your AirPods in your ears. So once your AirPods are in your ears, you will go ahead and hit the ear button. That will turn on live listening. And then wherever you leave your phone, you will be able to hear what's going on. I have heard this works up to 30 feet away, so you could totally leave this in the other room and continue listening to whatever is going on if you need to walk away for a moment. Find your AirPods by using Find My iPhone. It's actually just on the device list that is in your Find My iPhone app. So here's how it works. You're going to want to select Find My iPhone, then select your AirPods from the list. Say they are missing somewhere in your house. All you have to do is hit the Actions button and then hit Play Sound, and you will be able to find your AirPods with a little alarm. If your AirPods stop working, of course, Fix Apple Now can always take a look and help you out. But the nice thing about AirPods is they have a lifetime warranty. I actually had my AirPods for about a year, and I noticed there was a decrease in volume in the left AirPod. I went to Apple and they handed me a new pair of AirPods within the first few minutes of my meeting. All I did to start the replacement process was give Apple a call, chat with an Apple support representative, let them know what was going on with my AirPods, and then I was able to schedule an appointment at the nearest Apple store to me. You can connect your AirPods to your Apple Watch and take calls, text, or listen to music on it. Here's how to do it. You'll want to have your AirPods handy, and you're going to have to open the case and take out your AirPods to activate them. Put them into your ears, and then you'll want to swipe up to your control center on your Apple Watch. You're going to select the audio button and then select AirPods. And that's how you do it. Well, that is all for our video on tips, tricks, and hacks for Apple AirPods. Remember, if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We post a lot of helpful content relating to all Apple products. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one.